In the peaceful land of Uz lived a man named Job. He was known far and wide for his kindness, generosity, and unwavering faith in God. Job was blessed with 7 sons and 3 daughters, and he loved them dearly. Each day he would offer a prayer for his children's well-being, asking for their protection and guidance. One day, a test of Job's faith began. Tragedy struck as his livestock was stolen and his servants were taken away. Even more devastating, a great wind came from the desert, collapsing the house where his children were gathered, leaving nothing but silence in its wake. Despite the overwhelming sorrow, Job remained steadfast.
The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord,
He said, his heart heavy yet full of faith. As if his losses were not enough, Job was afflicted with painful sores from head to toe. His friends came to visit him, each offering their own explanations and advice. Yet Job remained true to his beliefs, refusing to curse God despite his suffering.
I will maintain my integrity,
Job declared, his voice resolute amidst the whispers of doubt. During a quiet night, Job sat in deep reflection, questioning and seeking answers. He spoke from his heart, expressing both his confusion and his unwavering trust. "Though he slay me, yet will I hope in him," Job whispered to the stars, his faith a beacon in the darkness. In time, God spoke to Job, reminding him of the wonders and mysteries that only the Creator could understand. Job realized the greatness of God's wisdom and power, and he repented for questioning his ways. His heart filled with peace, knowing that his faith had not wavered. In the end, God restored Job's fortunes, blessing him with even more than he had lost. His family grew once more, and his life was filled with happiness and abundance. Through his trials, Job had learned the true strength of faith, and his story became a testament to the power of unwavering trust in God's plan.